Most gig workers and artists aren't broke because they don't make enough. They're broke because there's no system for when the money comes in. Big payment hits, rent, bills, a little celebration, a couple things you've been eyeing. Dent, 2 weeks later, back at zero. Here are 3 habits that actually break that cycle. First, know your survival number. The bare minimum you need each month to keep the lights on and a roof overhead, that's your floor. Every dollar above it is what you actually have to work with. Know that number, and you stop treating every payment like a windfall. Second, pay your system before your lifestyle. The second money hits, move it. Bills first, a little to savings, then live off what's left. Most people spend first and try to save what's left over. There's never anything left. Third, ask one question before every purchase. Is this a real need, or am I spending to feel better? Gig workers are emotional spenders. A slow week, a rejection, suddenly you're buying something you don't need. That's exactly why the money keeps disappearing. Catch it before you hit checkout, and you'll start keeping more of what you earn. Drop a comment. Which one of these hits closest for you? Or did I miss one?